quadratic equation question. X square plus ax plus b equals 0. Quadratic equation has the roots alpha beta. X square plus cx plus d equals 0. Quadratic equation has the roots alpha squared and beta. Then we can write the relations like this: x squared plus ax plus b equals 0. The two roots are alpha beta. Then we can write alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta we get as minus a, alpha beta we get b. So this is number 1, this is number 2. And the other quadratic equation, x squared plus cx plus d equals 0. Its roots given as one is alpha squared, the other one is beta. The sum of the roots we can write it is minus c, product of the root it is e. Let us take this as number 3 and this as number 4. Right. Now by number 4, then alpha square beta I can write as alpha times alpha beta, it is d. For this alpha beta I can put by number 2, it's b, therefore this is d. Then I can subject by this d upon b, this alpha is d upon b. Now this alpha we just now found is a root of this equation, so therefore this alpha should satisfy this equation, right? Since alpha is a root of x squared plus ax plus b equals 0, then alpha must satisfy, no? Right, so then we can write alpha squared plus a alpha plus b equals 0. For this alpha, now I can put d upon b, then we get d upon b perfect squared, d upon b perfect squared plus a times b upon b and plus b equals 0. So now here by multiplying by b squared, this will be d squared plus this is abd plus this is d cube. Then we get the first answer asking, right? That is how we take the first answer, right? Now second one I can take again by 4. I can write again by 4. I can write alpha squared beta is d. This one I can write like this. Right. This. So then here we can equate beta. 1d you can cancel down with this d. Then we get b squared upon d. Right. Now beta root we found. Beta root we found as b squared upon d. Now this beta is a root of this equation as well as the beta is a root of this equation. So therefore beta must satisfy the two equations, this and this, right? Then we can write beta must satisfy the equations. Then I can write substituting beta in this equation and in this equation. There we get the two equations. I write like this. Then we get beta squared plus a beta plus b equals 0, and next one beta squared plus c beta plus d equals 0. Now by subtracting these two equations, beta square will cancel off, then we get a minus c times beta, and here b minus d equals 0 coming. By this I can subject, taking this right hand side, b minus b divided by a minus c. Now we have found this beta in two ways. We have found this beta in two ways, right? So now this answers of this beta we found in two ways. Now we can equate. That means this and this must be, we can equal. They must be equal, right? So then we can get the next answer. In that beta, two answers when we equate, b squared upon d is equal to that d minus b upon a minus c. Then this way, using cross multiplication and simplifying, you get b squared times a minus c equals d squared minus db or bd. So this gives us, taking this terms to right hand side, d squared minus bd, take this term to right hand side. Once you take this right hand side, that will be minus. Then interchange this order, we get b squared times c minus c. Now once you bring this right hand side, left hand side 0, right is equal to 0. So this is how we take that answer. The next answer we can obtain beta. We have the answer of beta. There we found beta d minus b by a minus c, and this beta is a root of the equation x squared plus ax plus b equals 0. So beta is a root of the equation x squared plus ax plus b equals 0, no? Right. So therefore this beta must satisfy this x, that is the equation, right? So that means we can put this beta for this x. Then what we get, b minus b divided by a minus c, d minus b divided by a minus c of x squared plus a times d minus b divided by a minus c plus b equals 0, because beta is the root of this equation. Right. Now, when you simplify this, you get this next answer. Right. So then I can multiply this by a minus c perfect square. Then this will be, we get d minus b perfect square and a times b minus b into a minus c perfect square. One term we can consider with this a minus c plus b times next one a minus c perfect squared equals 0. Right. So that is how we take that answer for the quadratic equation.